Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all well and you are doing good in your SAP projects. So basically in this video I just want to tell you about the interfaces. So SAP has a very good future. You can interpret with SAP system to any other non-SAP system like MES or any other third party tool. Okay. So what is happening basically, if you want to set up the interface between SAP to any third party tool, so first of all you need to reach out to basis. They will set up the, suppose X is your SAP system and Y is your third party system, and you want to interface between these two systems. So what we'll do, first of all we have to create the logical system. So basis people will do, he will create the logical system for the SAP and one more system, logical system for other tools which is a non-SAP like MES. So technically we have to set up these two systems technically. Okay, once the technically all the prerequisites has been done, all the setup has been done technically between these two systems X and Y. Okay, so later on our functional consultants responsibility will come. We can start our testing. We can suppose I am creating one production order in SAP. I want to transfer this production order to MES systems or any other third party tool like that. So we have to test. So that is called the inbound and outbound. Okay, so how the data will transfer? Through IDOCs. Sometimes we are using the IDOCs, intermediate document. So once the data is transferring from SAP to third party, so that will be the outbound. Okay, some information we want to get back from MES system to SAP, so that will be the inbound. So the data we are transferring from SAP to third party system, that is calling the outbound. Okay, and the data which coming from MES to SAP, that is called the inbound. Okay, so that setup is required and we need to test thoroughly. Okay, if you have any questions about interface related, any user exit, any enhancement, if the requirement is there from your client side or any project side, just let me know. I will guide you. Thank you so much. Okay.